Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video on histogram. So I created this master sheet. So I'll just drag the histogram here. It's pretty simple to understand. It's not very difficult. So let me have a histogram for the, let's say, the item throughput. And I can modify the histogram from these settings here. So I'll just deselect the auto. I can say the bar width is currently okay. So I'll just have an offset of 2 and ask it to count distinct values only. And obviously I can change the appearance here, so I can have this titles and the presentation. Red line spacing is important, so the color can be, let's say, orange. And the rest of the things seem okay. I don't want to mess with those that much. So again, I can have a filter pane for the shipment board. And this was for the line item throughput. And I can replicate the same, so Control C and Control V. So for this, let me just select another one. So let me delete that. So let me go with this pack price. So that's how the pack price is varying. So maybe I need to, the width is 10. So that if I just go with the number of bars here, so the maximum number of bars, it to be, let's say, 50. Maybe it has a higher distribution. So maybe 20 is fine. It's a pretty distributed type of distribution. So this is, I think, this is not the item throughput. This was the pack price, I think. So now if I just click on this edit sheet, so I can see how the pack prices are varying with respect to the different options that I have. So you can see that these things are varying. Although this item throughput histogram is, because item throughput is a value which we determine ourselves, probably not calculated properly. So let me just click on edit sheet. I need to cross check this value, so I'll just delete that for the timing and add another one. Let me add the line item quantity. If you see the histogram settings, number of bar turns is fine. Now let me just click on edit sheet. So now you can see that this histograms are varying with respect to, so for the air, you can see that the item throughputs are primarily, because I made 10 bars, so that's why it's showing me a lot of values here. So I just have to decrease the number of bars to 5. Probably also the range. That's not going to make a difference here. So let me just 5 as well. I want this to be more distributed. So I think the previous one was better, but in any case, you can see that the distribution of the item throughput or the line item quantity and the pack price with respect to the different selections that I make here. So this is basically showing me the line item quantity has very large frequency between 0 and 100K. So I can again try to increase the number of bars to 5. it's more granular, in fact. So now it's more granular. You can see how things are changing. So this is for the air, and if I deselect, so for the ocean, it's much better. The distribution is much better for the ocean, and for the truck, you can see that it's almost similar to the air one. So in any case, we can see how things are varying. So we have this back price, we have this outlier 140, which I can choose to exclude. So if I want to, so if you want, you can exclude this. So it's currently not able to. So you can try to exclude that yourself. So that's it from me. As far as histograms are concerned, so you can just use them to monitor how the things are changing. So normally we use this when we want to determine whether the KPI has a normal distribution or not. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope it has been useful for you.